Hello and welcome back to part two of the beautiful mixed media books by Ciao Bella. Now, if you missed part one, make sure you go check that out because in that part one, I did the first three books. Actually, here, I'll show you what those books were really quick. It was Journey Ahead, Urban Blue Denim, and time capsule. So if you want to see those three, which I'm sure you do, go ahead and head over and I'll try and put a link in the description box down below. Click on part one and then you can come back and watch part two. So what are we doing today? Really quickly, we are looking at these brand new books that have been launched by Ciao Bella. They are absolutely beautiful. They contain 50 double-sided pages of ephemera and pattern papers, all in one book, all color coordinated, all ready to go for you to do all of your collaging, your mixed media, junk journals, scrapbooking, card making, paper crafting, anything that you use paper for, you've got it. And it's all done for us. So all we have to do is sit back and enjoy. The point value on these is amazing. Go check out our online store, spectrumartcreations.com, and you are going to be shocked because not only, like I said, it's a massive 50 double-sided page book, A4 size, but everything is coordinated. So instead of you having to, find papers, digital, ephemera, all that to match, you have it all in one book ready to go. So I'm going to show you the following three next. Let's go ahead and start with Meaningful Memories because this is one that I kind of underestimated at first. Of course, it's black and white, and so I thought, oh, okay, well, I like the colorful ones. But then I realized the possibilities for this are going to be amazing. Not only can you do some monochromatic work, which is always super elegant, but it's almost like a coloring book. So you get to add whatever colors you want and only colors where you want them. So say, for example, you want this beautiful face, but all you want to do is add color to the flowers or maybe just her lips so they really pop out. You could do that. You could use your sprays, your magicals, your watercolors, your Copics, your indigo blue inks. I mean, we have so many products that I think would go fantastic with this pad. So yes, definitely one that we should not underestimate. Just like in part one, I'm going to show you one side and then I'm going to flip it and then we're going to look at the other side, okay? Because it's kind of big to fit on screen. Again, it's 24 by 30 centimeters. So I will do my best and let's get started. Now this here is the back page, so it doesn't go to waste. You have all kinds of great sentiments to it. Now, as I had shared with you on that first video, we're going to flip this over and look at the other side. As a reminder, these are tear pages, so they do come pre-perforated, so easy enough for you to tear, but they are also clipped by paper clips. That's how they're bound. So easy enough for you to remove those paper clips as well if you want to just, pull the pages fully out and have them not bound. But look at all the loveliness, and you can tea stain things, you can coffee dye them, you can do all kinds of other stains and sprays and ink and techniques and gel plating. Incredible possibilities. And here we have the front page, the back of it again, all kinds of great labels to go with it. So beautiful, beautiful pad that is called Meaningful Memories. I think that I am going to be so excited to see what folks are creating once they start creating with these, because I can't wait to see all the artistic, that's a great way to add so much and artistic, personalized artistic finishes to it, because you can make these anything you want. Okay, let's take a look at our next one. Our next one is called Pastime. Again, this one has great, as you can see, teals, blues, rusts, tea color, maybe a little bit of vintage distressing in there as well. So let's see, Pastime. Ready? Here we go. We're already off to a great start. I love keys. I love gears. I love hot air balloons. Of course, labels and clocks. Absolutely. Look at the great layering that's already been done. And we're going to see that throughout. I absolutely love all the coordinating ephemera on these. Amazing collection. Look at all those great possibilities for layering. I also like that some of the pages are also horizontal, so it's easy enough for you to simply pop those out, fold them, and include them in your journals as, in your signatures, such as this one as well. Of course, it can be used horizontally or vertically. And then we have our back page, which is the freebie. Now we're going to flip this over and we're going to take a look at the other side. We're off to an amazing start. Look at that. Gorgeous. Again, another page that we could use horizontal or vertical. Wow. How do you pick a favorite page? In my head, I've been trying to think, okay, which was my favorite? Every time I flip, I see another one that I think, wow, just wow. Oh, we're still going. One more. And there we go. That is our front page. Again, as a reminder, the front page has all these amazing miniature tiles that you could take advantage of, or of course, get all those great bits of ephemera. That, my friends, is pastime. Absolutely stunning. We've got one more to look at, and that is quintessential. I didn't put them in any specific order. I just placed them on the table, and I figure I'd show them to you as they come because there really isn't an ugly one. There really is not one that I would say, not my favorite. They're all beautiful. Again, they're all in stock in the store. And keep in mind that if they do sell out, you don't want to wait. If they do sell out, then just know that we will be restocking in no time. Okay, let's take a look. Here we go. Quintessential. Again, off to an amazing start. You can almost just stop at that page, right? But we're not. Let's take a look at the whole thing. See, this is what I was meaning with that other one. See how you can add your own colors or just add specific color in certain areas, where you want maybe the cheeks, the lips, and just, a couple of flowers. So you can get really artistic, but look at the colors on this one. I can't, the camera, trust me, is not doing any of this any justice. None of the colors. They are so vibrant. They're beautiful. Oh, I absolutely love this one. That is so beautiful. I don't know that I'm sure you guys are looking, but the amount of layering that has happened already. You have text, you have numbers, you have crackled, you have lines, you have uh, circles, you've got different colors, you've got crinkles. I mean, the layering on these pages, on all of these books, is incredible. Incredible. Oh, wow, look at that one. That is beautiful. Okay, I could stand here and stare at every page. I'm not kidding. Every page on every book is just stunning. There's the back. So now we're going to flip and we're going to look at the other side and prepare to be wowed because they are amazing. I can sit there and bring this up and just show you every bit of detail that's on here, but that would take forever, forever to show you all the details on all of these pages. So I can't wait for you guys to purchase yours and just get them in your hands and just see every last, I mean, like even the flower, see, I didn't bring them up, but every flower is different and every flower has something different to it. I mean, it's just amazing, amazing. Ciao Bella has knocked it out of the park with these books, no doubt. Their new rice papers, you guys have got to go to, when you go to the online store, spectrumartcreations.com, click on the new arrivals and see the rice papers as well. See the other stuff that is just released and just arrived from Ciao Bella, because you are going to be in love. They have created an amazing, amazing launch. So Ciao Bella, kudos to you, my friends, because it is phenomenal. Okay, here is the back of the front page. Wow, what a great way to end, right? Beautiful. And that is quintessentials. So again, quintessentials, pastime, meaningful memories. And then in part one, we've covered time capsule, journey ahead, and urban blue denim. Go ahead and check out the online store. We certainly hope that you will for these products and thousands more. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you have enjoyed this quick walkthrough. The reason why I wanted to kind of showcase these is because I'm going to pick one now. I don't know, well, I'm going to have one of each, but I'm going to pick maybe one or two to do the next upcoming video and project. I thought, you know, this is so easy to just grab a book and have my papers and everything else coordinating, and I'll be done in no time. So be sure to be on the lookout for that crafty video and tutorial. I'll see you all on this next video. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye.